everyone. Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is, y'all. Hello to everyone, and welcome, you guys. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am making a lasagna pie, a lasagna cake. But I'm making a lasagna with a twist. You just have to stay tuned to see. We have all the ingredients. We got the bell peppers, we got the onions, we got the garlic, we got the Kobe Jack cheese, we have sliced cheese, we have the ricotta, the lasagna pasta. We have everything, but it is done with a twist. So stay tuned and come along and let's get cooking. As you can see, we have the shredded cheese. This is Kobe Jack cheese. We have the onions, we have the bell peppers, we have a little jalapeno because y'all know I like it spicy, and we have some chopped up pepperoni. We have the garlic right here. We have diamond dust, and here we have the ground beef. We have the tomato sauce. We have the lasagna pasta. We have the ricotta, and we have other things. So we're gonna start off with the pasta water is on. Woo, hot! I salted that. We're gonna add the pasta to the water back here that I have boiling, and it's salted like the sea. So we're gonna put some pasta in there. I like to lay them in there separate. That's what, 1, 2, 3. Now, we're just gonna put some pasta in there, right? We wanna make sure we have enough for the pasta pie I'm making. Yes! Okay, we have our electric skillet. We're gonna turn that on high. Getting ready to cook the meat. We're gonna add a little oil, just a little oil to the skillet. We're gonna add the meat right into the skillet. Diamond dust. Bell peppers, jalapenos, onions, and the pepperoni. A little minced garlic and red chili flakes. I love garlic. Yum! Here's the twist. We're gonna build and bake our lasagna in this pan. Yes, we are. Okay, you guys, we got the pasta. We have the meat. We have the ricotta. We have cheese and more sauce. So let's get to building. We're gonna pour a little sauce at the bottom of the pan. We're gonna lay the pasta. Let it drip.
Welcome to the one, the only 1K Yellow Diamond channel, right? Where the vibe is classy. We laugh, we vibe, we keep it real, and yes, I'm gonna keep you smiling the whole time. Oh, oh, oh. Now listen, if you came in here trying to troll, baby, don't worry, I'm gonna flip that negativity and turn it into something sweet real quick. Oh, don't get it twisted. I got my eyeballs in the building. Yeah, my snipers, they stay ready. So come correct, bring good energy, and enjoy the Make sure you like, share, and toyment to cherry, and you already know how we do it over here. Oh, bow, 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 bow,
It's all built. Now let's put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, y'all, it's still hot. It's falling. Ooh. Lasagna pizza pie. It looks so yummy. I know when I cut into it, it's going to just go everywhere. Oh, it looks so yummy. It's gonna go everywhere, y'all. I want it to cool. It's going everywhere. Ooh. Y'all gotta see the center. Look at that. Lasagna pie. Let's try it. Y'all know I don't cook without trying it with you guys. But look, y'all. Look at the middle. Look all that good. Ooh. It's hot. I wish I would have let it cool. Lasagna pie. Baby. Lasagna pie.